We just left Adams.
Mm-hmm.
On Broadway. This gotta be a special house. Fucking her, right? I gotta get a new key ring, bro. Oh yeah, you ain't just finna go on one of my motherfucking houses. These motherfuckers locked tight. Big ass fucking padlock.
Not getting there. Okay, got lights on this bitch.
I will start over here. Bedroom number 1. See this motherfucker already framed. New goddamn walls up here. I already got the windows for this motherfucker. This is another bathroom. Everything, a new fucking flooring in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, boom. Oh yeah, we got license. This motherfucker renovated for real. See, we don't even gotta put a new roof on her. Just put some new motherfucking shingles on this motherfucker.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, I might redo some of this motherfucking framing up here though. This shit that need to be done. Yeah. Floors already. I just got done with these motherfuckers, subfloor and regular floor.
300-400 jack on the motherfucking floor.
New floors.
What is the kitchen?
Trying to see what the fuck I want to make it to be. I ain't for sure. I don't know what I want this to be. You know what's so big. This can be a washroom, another room, you know. I wouldn't make it no fucking washroom though, cause
It's
you
big.
walk through there
Yeah.
and then come through here. See if this wall come out, then the bathroom can connect. But this right here, yeah, this supposed to be another bathroom. Some pots and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Pots and shit. And this could be one room. Right here. Room, closet. This room's not already expanded. This shit ready to go.
Somebody out here working right now. Ain't it?
On the next block over, they building a brand new duplex.
Yeah.
We hit that granddad backbone one time in auto traffic.
But
They go another room or whatever the hell you want to be. Then they say, you know, I got the windows already for it. So what you going for? I said, man, I'll get them motherfuckers to you.
yeah.
I said, okay. Oh yeah, that's a loss. And there's another room. I don't know if I want these two motherfuckers to connect or what. Yeah. See what I like about this one already is I can already see the attic and shit, so I ain't gotta do nothing, probably go get it back.
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna be about 200 pieces of plywood though.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this shit, this one I feel like hurt, man. I had to add some more subfloor. Some more stuff, man. From her, all these little spots. So she can expand. Yeah, I'm gonna start working on this motherfucker probably about, I don't even know, bro. Like I said, I might live in this motherfucker, 4-bedroom, 2-bath.
Yeah.
Privacy fence over around this motherfucker. Like I said, I didn't even know this shit was back here. This shit shocked me. Damn, you know this shit back here? Damn, man, okay, they done left me everything. I just gotta get my Mexican partner over here. Come back over and go through this shit, cause what this is, they supposed to put that through all this shit. Did they put this under all of it? I'm gonna have to have my Mexican come over here, cause they did a damn good job. I just don't want to make sure they ain't half-assed this shit. Just to make sure I ain't got past this shit. That's all. This one of the motherfucking dope spots. This motherfucker gonna be. Again, this still considered the motherfucking historic, whatever the fuck. So.
Yeah, check that out. We went crazy on that one.